Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a kind of a randomly makeup haul. Two of these products were actually sent to me, which I'll be mentioning in the beginning of the video. But yeah, other stuff I just purchased and I just want to mention them in a video so I can go ahead and use them soon because I will be having some more haul videos coming up. I have a Chamase package on the way. I have a Shein package on the way. We're going to be doing a massive pink Shein haul, so definitely keep an eye out for that. So I'm super excited to show you guys the things that I picked up. So if you want to see what those are, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you like the video, if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. The first product is from W7. So they actually reached out to me on Instagram and decided to send me some products. So they did send me two of the same palette. This is the W7 Nudification Wear It and Bear It Press Pigment Palette. So this one I've actually used already. I used it twice, I'd say. I'm just off camera. I haven't used it on video, but this is so beautiful. And I thought for some reason I was thinking it was a Too Faced dupe or something, or Anastasia dupe. For some reason I thought it was duping a Too Faced palette, but I believe it's an ABH palette that looks like this. But anyway, whatever. This is so cute. This is more of a wearable kind of everyday moment, and it's so cute. Super nice formula. I have really been enjoying this, and again, they did send two of them my way, so I did gift the other one to my sister. Really nice gift, really nice of them. They honestly didn't have to do that, so thank you so much if you guys are watching. W7, this is such a great formula, and I'm super happy to have this in my collection. The other product that was sent to me is by the brand Susiki. I don't know, but this is the brand there. So I actually did post this on my Instagram, and basically is a Sunset Florist highlighter palette. It comes with 3 highlighters, and there's a close-up look at that. So I haven't talked about it here on YouTube, but I am planning to use this hopefully soon in a video using new makeup. I'm not really too impressed by the actual highlighters. I haven't used them on my skin, so I can't really tell. But they're really light. They're not super blinding, but I love the imprint. So thank you so much to you guys if you guys are watching this. Thank you so much. It was really thoughtful, and this is definitely a staple piece in my collection now. It's just beautiful to look at, and I'm just super happy that I have this again in my collection. So cute. And if I can find it on their website, I'll have it linked down below. All right, so now we're just gonna get into random products. I don't remember where a lot of these products are from, so I'm just gonna grab stuff and talk about them. So next I remember this one. This one's from Five Below, and this is by Taste Beauty, and this is their Cup of Noodles lip balm. It was honestly $3.25 for a lip balm. Now I'm like looking back, I don't think I purchased this. My boyfriend purchased it for me. Originally I was gonna get it for him, but he doesn't really use lip balm a lot, and I do. As you guys know, if you guys have been on my channel, I have very dry lips, especially in the nighttime. So I'm super excited to try this out, and I'm gonna open it up and see what's going on. This is so cute. So basically this is a little cup of noodles. That's what you get on the top. Super cute. Interesting. So it's like a little, like you dip your fingers in there. Okay, super cool. For some reason I thought the top was gonna come out and it was gonna be kind of like the popsicle thing, or I don't know. It smells like vanilla. It says it's vanilla flavored as well. So yeah, that's super cute. Super cute also just to carry in your purse or something. Really adorable lip balm. So I definitely cannot wait to try this on my lips. It's a little hard to like put the cap back on, but yeah, so cute. So glad that I have it. I did originally want to film a video using one of the new Beauty Creations products. So this is their Lash Atrract Lash Glue Liner, again from Beauty Creations. And I believe this is a newer product to their website. I was really intrigued by the packaging as well. This is how it looks. Doesn't this give you Too Faced vibes? Or was it Anastasia that came out with a liner that kind of looks like this? I think it was ABH. Really cute. And again, it's a liner, and it does have lash glue in it. So I went ahead and picked this up. I haven't tried it out at all. I also went ahead and picked up their Lash Mystery Box. So I picked up that, and I got 5 lashes in there. I got these lashes in Desirable. These are the first ones that I got in that package. We have these from their 3D Mink lashes in Slay. Really stunning. Not sure if I have these already. Honestly, they look really familiar. We also have these, which I actually do already have in my collection, so I might just give these away. These are the Beauty Creations 35mm Faux Mink lashes in the style On My Own. So I do have 2 of these. Again, I might include these in a giveaway because these are just not my vibe. But yeah, so I got these. I also got this one in the 3D Faux Mink lashes. These are in the style Top Secret. Really cute. These are definitely more everyday lashes for me. These are really cute, really like not too dramatic. And then we have these are their 3D silk lashes in the shade Take the Spotlight, which again, I think I also own these as well. So I have only gotten the mystery lash box 3 times, I believe, and I have already gotten repeat lashes, so definitely keep that in mind if you're thinking of purchasing that. But yeah, I mean, they're cute, they last forever, so I'm not really complaining. I definitely cannot wait to try the liner out. I have to say it's very lightweight, like honestly it doesn't feel like anything, but I love the packaging, so I definitely can't wait to try that and see what I think. But yeah, those are all the lashes from that mystery box. This is the LA Colors What's the Tea Matcha Mix palette. So I do already own the latte palette, I think it's called, the more everyday wearable one. This would have been perfect for St. Patrick's Day, but I'm still going to use it in an upcoming video, if not here on YouTube, on Instagram. This did retail for $4.99 at our local QBargain. There's the color story of this palette. Definitely cannot wait to use this. All right, so let's talk about this palette. So I went on Ulta Beauty and they were having a sale. This is the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. So this one I already used once before, but I was so excited to see that this was half off. So I got it for around $30 something, and the original price I believe is like $67 or something. This is such a beautiful color story. I've always wanted this palette, so I was so happy to see this on sale and I grabbed it right away. It's so stunning, and specifically the teal is what I wanted this palette for, and it's beautiful. I might use this palette tomorrow for work because I've been wanting to do a blue look, but these are so beautiful. I did use the pinky tones and the kind of purpley tones yesterday, and they're just such a stunning formula. So I'm so glad to finally have this in my possession. I've been wanting it for such a long time, but I didn't want to pay the $60. So I'm so happy that I found it on sale, and hopefully it's still going on so you guys can get your hands on it. But really great quality shadows, as well as the packaging is so nice. Okay, let's talk about this one from the Hot Topic. This is the Up Inspired eyeshadow palette. Really cute. This did retail for $16.90. So if you want to see my like Hot Topic finds, I do have those on my Instagram, but there's the color story there. All right, I just went ahead and removed the plastic little cover thing, and this is the color story. Let me know your thoughts down below. I definitely could not pass on this palette. This is just so cute. I love the packaging, but also the colors on the inside very much give me more subculture vibes, very deep and grungy tones, which is why I picked it up. Now, Hot Topic palettes don't tend to have the greatest formula, but I just love the packaging, so that's what got me. Next, let's talk about this one from Target. So this is the Revolution and the Lion King palette. This is the one called I Walk on the Wild Side palette. Super cute packaging. Love the cheetah print on the back. So that's how the actual palette looks. So beautiful. Again, this is the one in I Walk on the Wild Side. It does come with a mirror, and this is the color story of this palette. I could definitely recreate the look that I have going on today with this palette. I have very similar tones in my collection, but this is just a stunning packaging. And I have to say, Lion King was in my most favorite movie as a kid. I don't know what it was, but I think they did a really great job with this collection, and I've really been into Revolution palettes if you guys have been watching my favorites videos. Yeah, so I'm super excited to try this out on the eyes. I love that it comes with more pinky tones as well as some orangey tones. It's just such a nice palette, so I can't wait to use it on the eyes. Next, I have some lip balms from the 99-cent store, and these are all from the Cherry Tree brand, and these are their macaron lip balms. So I do have already one out of the packaging. I will be taking all 3 out, but this is how it's gonna look when you pick it up. So there's a look at all 3 macaroons. Super cute. So we do have the logo of the Cherry Tree there. That's how that looks. You unscrew it as so, and then you get the product on the inside. I have to say, these smell so good. Oh my god, they all smell different as well. So nice. Definitely grab these if you like lip balm as much as I do. These are so adorable, and they just all smell so good. Now here's a look at the green one. This one definitely smells more like mint, and we have the yellow one, which I haven't had a chance to smell. So let's see. Oh, this one's more like a peachy moment. Also smells like vanilla or something. Really cute. These are adorable, and I'm so glad that I picked these up. So next, I picked up more of the Amuse Royal Lips Rich Pigment Matte Color Liquid Lipsticks. If you've been following me here on YouTube, you guys know that I love the pink one. I actually have it underneath my gloss today. I love it. I don't remember the name of it. But I do have this one in Queen Bee. So I went back to the same fashion queue and picked up 2 more shades. Again, this one's in Queen Bee, really beautiful. I haven't swatched them, so I'm super excited to do that. So there's a look at the packaging, so adorable. I love it, and I'm so glad to say that the formula of these is also really nice. There's a look at the doe foot applicator. It smells so nice, like vanilla. And again, that's the shade Queen Bee, really beautiful, more everyday tone. And then we have this pinky one. This one is just a little lighter than the one that I already own, and this one is in Princess. So there's a look at the shade Princess. It definitely could have gone with today's look. And there's a look at the shade Princess. Really beautiful. Again, the same doe foot applicator. So easy to use, and I love the smell of these. And again, these are liquid lipsticks. They are not lip glosses. These are so nice, super comfortable on the lips, and they just wear for such a long time. Again, I do have the dark pink on my lips now, and it also comes in a more red tone. Lovely, love these. I love the packaging and I love the formula. Last Makeup product is from the Huda Beauty line, and this is their Yummy in My Tummy palette. We did find this at my local TJ Maxx, and it did retail for $7.99. So there's a look at the packaging. How adorable is this? This little palette also comes with some stickers, which you can put on the palette itself, or you can use it for something else like a planner or something, or give it to your kids. And then there is the color story. How fun is this palette? Super cute. I love that we get everyday tones as well as more everyday tones on the bottom. It's just, did I say everyday tones twice? You get colorful tones as well as everyday tones in here. It's just really nice. Again, I love that teal kind of moment on the upper line along with those oranges. You get some purples in here, some pink tones. So if you're in a colorful mood or an everyday kind of mood for eyeshadow, definitely this is a great option to have, and I definitely cannot wait to use this on my eyes. I've never really owned Huda Beauty palettes. I did purchase, I believe it was a face palette from them, but never an eyeshadow palette. So I'm so excited to use this on the eyes and see what I think. This is such an adorable little palette. So next we have some things from Miniso, which is a I was gonna say it's a brand. It is a brand, but it's a store that I find at my malls, and my boyfriend wanted to pick this up for me, and I did want to mention it here in case you're into different types of hairbrushes. And this is a really cute hairbrush, and it has Snow White on it, and it does have that kind of glitter moment. I did share this on my Instagram. Definitely follow me there, which I'm starting to post a lot more on there of my everyday kind of journey and stuff, not just finds. So I've been having fun with that, but basically you get the little glitter moment. Super cute, and I believe this one retail for $2.99 or something, really inexpensive, and there are the like hair bristles and stuff. So if you want to get it for yourself or for your daughter or whatever, really cute. And they have a couple other ones, and it does say Snow White on the handle. We did also go ahead and pick up both of the Tom and Jerry handheld mirrors. So they do have a lot of Tom and Jerry at Miniso now, so if you're familiar with the store, definitely go check them out. They've been doing a lot of Minion things, so that's a big thing right now. But also Tom and Jerry is a really big thing. I've been posting their like sponges and stuff on my Instagram, so again, go check that out. There's one of the mirrors, super cute, and the mirror on the back is that square kind of moment, and then there is the handle there, really cute. Again, love it. And then we have this one here, really adorable. Again, that square kind of moment on the mirror, and then on the handle you do get the Tom and Jerry, and when you flip it, that's what you see there. So really good, really well made, and this is very nice. Now the material does feel like if you get makeup on it, it's gonna stain it a bit, but with a makeup wipe it'll come off. So I really love the two mirrors. They're super cute, and definitely wanted to share them with you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about on the names of the price is going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there, and it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to get this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.